The winner of Week 5 on the Block 2020 and driving out of here with $10,000 from Ford is, with a perfect score, 30 out of 30, Luke and Jasmine. Wow.
Oh, interesting. Hasn't even been cut out.
Oh, that's going to be a big up and a half.
Double standards, mate.
Hey, Jade, do you want to take a basin home?
30 out of 30 puts a target on your back straight away.
The vanity doesn't fit their basins or anything, mate. This is...
It was, I don't know, just looked like a bit of sour grapes.
Judge Shona Blaze has a major problem with Luke and Jasmine's winning room from last week.
I went home and did a little bit of fishing.
Yeah?
Because it felt familiar.
Okay.
And then I found this.
Yep.
Inspiration is one thing. Completely taking someone's idea and making it your own is another.
Okay.
Shona had accused us of straight out copying.
When you're doing it from home and
Yeah.
you're copying it like that it's, you know, no one's going to see it.
Sure.
But we're in a competition and you want a room where you make money. You haven't changed it up enough. It's not fair on the other contestants that they can win a room with money on someone else's ideas.
That bunk, that was handmade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
also underneath that, so we've changed all of that.
No.
That's got V-joint underneath.
That's,
You've seen it?
it's not enough.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought we put our own spit on it. I don't think that's a carbon copy of that room.
You think of the foundation of your room and the foundation of this room. Spotted wallpaper, bunk, animals, saffron, Aztec, grey, white sheer.
Yeah.
The only difference is the type of chair and how you put those other elements together.
You just scroll on Instagram, everyone's doing the same. Everyone's doing arches, everyone's doing curves, so it's like, yeah, we're original as the next house that's doing it 5 doors down in Brighton. You know what I mean?
Over in House 3 this week, tension has been building between Daniel and his plastering team led by Wilson.
This is a pressure cooker situation for all of us, especially for me, because I've got to manage my budget. I'm paying you good money to do it, and I'm not seeing you in that house.
Do you want to know the truth? And it doesn't really want to work in the house 3.
What we'll do going forward is we'll get the boys to continue on tomorrow, and then we'll go from there and see how everyone's feeling at the end of the week.
Yeah, that's right.
It's now nearing the end of the week, and Wilson has sought out George for advice.
He told me on the Tuesday night, so, he will see how we go. So we'll finish them this week. And yeah, it's not your turn to choose. So you want to keep on, it's my turn to choose.
Wilson was just pretty much confiding in me. I think he was struggling over there. I think he was just kind of venting to me. Look after yourself, mate. Yeah. That's all I say. Look after yourself. It was a bit of a pig in the middle for me.
Yeah.
All I can speak on is my own behalf, and I've never had an issue with Wilson.
Yeah, so Wilson come in, we just finished all the plastering off.
Just thinking about, my boys would feel, you know, like comfortable working in the house 3. Yeah. So, yeah.
Which we thought that the other day,
yeah, so now I think it's better with just leaving them. All my boys, when they work in the house 3, they feel all hard pressure in there, and you know, it's very hard to work with. That's why we have to live in the house 3.
You've left here on good terms, mate, so I don't have an issue with that at all, mate.
Yeah, that's right. So for good for both of us.
Oh, good, mate.
No worries, mate.
Thanks, Wilson. Thanks, matey.
Cool.
Talk to you soon.
Okay.
We are going potty for pottery. Oh, Jimmy!
This is fun.
Utensil holder.
Maybe we don't have the patience that everyone else has. I don't know.
No, we're just crap at it.
Yeah, we are.
I think we cut to the chase and tell us who came first, mate.